Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best Santoku cleavers in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, I am trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Mercer Culinary 7 inches Santoku knife. This knife is a great value. I prefer the Santoku over the traditional chef's knife for my typical prep with meat, fruit and veggies. It has a good steel, comes with a good edge and stays sharp fairly well. I'd say within 50% of my high-dollar kitchen knives. It has a nice grip for my average hand size even when wet and is well balanced. You should not dishwash your knives, but I am guilty of doing it on occasion with no issues yet, which is something I don't have to feel guilty about at its price point. I've sharpened it a couple times and the steel isn't hard to put an edge on. Fantastic knife, super sharp right out of the box. Arrived on time and perfectly priced for German steel. 6 inches is an excellent length, easy to handle around meats and fruits and veggies. I've used it on carrots, pork, potatoes, tomatoes, and onions to name a few. You won't regret buying this knife. It is all that and more. I've gifted several to people who aren't too into cooking and they have all been very well received. This is my top knife choice in the range for its good materials, good ergonomics and wide range of uses. Number 2. Our second best pick is Mac Knife Superior Santoku knife. If you can afford the difference in price, the Mac is a nicer knife and performs better. I wanted a Santoku knife with the primary goal of slicing cucumbers. When I use my chef's knife, the slices stick to the blade and then fall all over the place. So, I did some research and found this Mac. Great reviews. Comes in a nice gift box, which I use for storage when the knife is not in use. It's unbelievably sharp and a shape I'm still getting used to, so I am not comfortable leaving it on my wall magnetic knife storage thing. So sharp, my eyes barely start watering before the onions are chopped and already done. It's an attractive knife. Fairly comfortable in the hand, but I find my cutting motion needs to adjust. Would totally buy more from this company. I love this knife. I sometimes wish it was an inch longer, and sometimes am glad it is not. I am conflicted. You will love how sharp this knife is when you get it. Do not forget to buy a knife sharpener so you can keep the joy. I bought the manual Chef's Choice one and love it. Number 3. Our third best pick is Tojiro DP Santoku knife. Tojiro DP knives are one of the best buys a professional or home cook could make when beginning to explore the work of Japanese cutlery. The extreme value found in this incredibly high-performing line is unparalleled. Tojiro does an exceptional job with the stainless VG10 core steel in the DP series. The knives are capable of taking an extremely sharp, refined edge while also exhibiting very good retention and durability characteristics. The softer stainless cladding around the core steel helps make Tojiro DP knives easy to sharpen with excellent structural integrity. Handles are done in a black stamina wood, which is constructed with the demands of a professional kitchen in mind, though it is also wonderful in a home environment. Fit and finish is high and blade geometry is superb. Overall, these examples of performance Japanese cutlery offer one of the best bang for your buck out in the market today. This is a really good knife for the money. It comes hair shaving sharp and is made with a VG10 steel core, so it should stay sharp for a long time. Also, the balance is great and it makes for a more comfortable right-handed pinch grip, but could be used left-handed as well. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Misen OUX10 Santoku knife. Awesome knife, a great upgrade to my knife collection. I had previously bought the 10.5 inches due to UX10 and was so impressed that I bought this product, UX10 Santoku, to use for smaller tasks. Like the 10.5 inches due to, this one didn't disappoint. It comes out of the box super sharp, easily passing the paper test. I immediately decided to test it on a tomato and like its companion knife, it cut through like butter. outperforming every other knife I had previously owned. This knife is sharp and lightweight, making it extremely easy to maneuver. I have used this on everything from cutting meat to chopping vegetables. It performs amazingly at all tasks. It couldn't be sharper. For these reasons I give it 5 stars. But I'm returning mine. It is great for all the reasons the reviewers gave it 5 stars. But I purchased it to cut root vegetables and it doesn't have enough heft for that. I'd like the weight of the knife to do my work for me, and this knife is nearly weightless. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is my RB Santoku knife. From the blade to the handle, this my RB Santoku knife from the 5000 MCD series is unique. The natural structure of the measure birch used in the knife handle gives the knife a distinctive appearance, whilst the fine damask structure of the blade is reminiscent of the swords from Japanese stories, with 100 layers of steel surrounding a core of micro-carbide MC63 powder steel. The classic Japanese Honbeizuke trigger makes the knife edge particularly sharp, even in the 21st century. This relatively complex process, consisting of several grinding passes, is still performed by hand to obtain an authentic result. Honbeizuke honed symmetrical edge for exceptional sharpness, knife angle around 10 degrees per side, 3-part traditional construction, cryo ice hardened blades for exceptional cutting performance, corrosion resistance and optimum blade flexibility, ergonomic measure birchwood handle for perfect balance, guaranteeing optimum control and fatigue-free cutting, with concealed tang, half bolster which provides a seamless transition between the handle and blade. Hand wash only. Blade core made of micro-carbide MC63 powder steel embedded in 100 layers of steel, made in Seki, Japan. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback, like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.